I mean, gopis are lovers of Krishna, but love creates so much logic also. The gopis, although usually they say love is blind. Blind means you can't see, you can't think. And that's also true. You can't see, you can't think. But they haven't lost the power of logic. They say, wait a minute. We're not speaking blindly. We're not just enamored. We're not enamored and captivated by your beautiful Dandabhujam, pillar-like, strong, powerful, serpentine arms. But we know that we have good reason to say Datta Abhayam. We have good reason to say we're fearless. Why do we care about a puny king from Mathura? He's a puny king from Mathura Mandala. When the king of the whole universe, Indra. He's Indra. Indra means the king. He's the king of the entire whole universe. He's the king of all the demigods. And you defeated him not with 2 arms. We're talking about Dandabhujam. We're talking about 2 arms. We have your 2 arms will protect us. You only use 1 arm. That's your weak arm, your left arm. Right arm is stronger than the left arm. With your 1 arm, left arm, and not even your arm, your pinky. You defeated Indra, who's the king of all kings of all kings of all kings of the whole universe, with your pinky. And I'm supposed to be afraid of Abhimanyu? I'm supposed to be afraid of Govardhan Mala?